Nigeria's President Bola Tinubu has directed a complete reform of the country's security system, including fresh recruitment and redeployment of personnel. Tinubu has approved recruitment of an additional 20,000 police officers, bringing the total to 50,000. He has also ordered the withdrawal of officers assigned to guard VIPs and celebrities, highlighting that nearly 100,000 police personnel are dedicated to private protection duties. The president further authorized forest rangers to launch operations against armed groups operating in forest areas.